What are the steps to reset my Honeywell thermostat?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to be learning about how to reset your Honeywell thermostat. If you're having trouble with your thermostat, resetting it could potentially solve the problem. Let's dive into the simple steps to get your thermostat reset and back to working order.
Why should you reset your Honeywell thermostat?
Your thermostat could occasionally display incorrect temperatures, refuse to follow the set schedule, or fail to maintain the desired room temperature. In such cases, a simple reset can clear any programming glitches and restore factory settings, ensuring your device works as intended.
How to power off the thermostat?
Before we reset your thermostat, we first need to turn it off. Locate the power switch on the device and turn it to the off position. If your thermostat model doesn't have a power switch, you can turn off the circuit breaker associated with the thermostat.
Where is the reset button?
The location of the reset button may vary depending on the model of your Honeywell thermostat. However, it's typically found at the front of the device. If you can't find it, refer to your user manual.
How to reset the Honeywell thermostat?
Once you have located the reset button, use a small, thin object like a pin or paperclip to press and hold the reset button. Keep the button pressed for about 5 seconds, then release it.
Powering on the thermostat.
Now it's time to power on your Honeywell thermostat again. Turn on the power switch on your device or turn on the circuit breaker if your model doesn't have a power switch. That's all there is to it. Now your Honeywell thermostat should be reset and ready to keep your home comfortable again. Always remember, when in doubt, refer back to your user manual for specific instructions on your thermostat model. We hope this video has been helpful, and if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below. Stay warm, stay cool, and stay comfortable.